Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of extreme luxury and off-road dominance with the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome. A bold fusion of commercial-grade strength and premium living, this motorhome redefines what's possible for long-distance and off-grid travel. First, let's talk about the interior. Scania is renowned for its heavy-duty engineering, and the 2026 double-decker motorhome takes that reputation into the luxury realm. Step inside and you're welcomed by a massive two-level living space designed for comfort without compromise. The lower deck features a refined lounge with modular leather seating, brushed aluminum accents, and premium composite wood finishes. A large smart TV, immersive surround sound system, and panoramic side windows create a commanding yet cozy atmosphere. The fully equipped kitchen includes industrial-grade appliances, an induction cooktop, a large refrigerator, and ample storage designed for extended journeys. Upstairs, the private master suite offers a king-size bed, climate control, and generous wardrobe space, while the ensuite bathroom is fitted with high-end fixtures, a rainfall shower, and durable luxury materials built for rugged travel conditions. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome is nothing short of imposing. Built on a reinforced military-style 6x6 chassis, it's engineered to conquer extreme terrain while maintaining road presence. The tall, commanding profile is paired with angular, functional design elements that emphasize strength and reliability. Finished in a durable matte or metallic expedition-grade coating, the exterior is designed to withstand harsh environments. Heavy-duty off-road tires, reinforced wheel arches, roof-mounted storage systems, and integrated side awning create a versatile outdoor living setup. The iconic Scania grille and lighting signature underline its commercial truck DNA, ensuring it turns heads everywhere it travels. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome delivers serious capability. Power comes from a robust turbocharged diesel engine producing immense torque, paired with a heavy-duty automatic transmission designed for long-haul reliability. The advanced 6x6 drivetrain, locking differentials, and adaptive air suspension allow this motorhome to tackle sand, snow, mud, and rocky terrain with confidence. Despite its size, the intelligent drive assist systems, including hill descent control, terrain response modes, and 360-degree camera coverage, make maneuvering surprisingly manageable. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-premium category, and its pricing reflects its specialized nature. With an estimated starting price of around $750,000, it's designed for buyers who demand extreme capability paired with uncompromising luxury. That investment includes the custom-built double-decker layout, heavy-duty off-road engineering, advanced technology, and bespoke interior finishes. To sum up, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 motorhome is a remarkable combination of power, luxury, and off-road mastery. It delivers a level of space, durability, and presence rarely seen in the motorhome world. Whether you're planning global overland expeditions or want the ultimate mobile command center on wheels, this Scania motorhome stands in a league of its own. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.